Is the U joint and the CV joint on this drive shaft. See, it was making a noise, but as you can see, this one moves. It's got movement, but not this one. It's frozen. It's freeze. See, it's frozen right there. So it doesn't have movement. This one is the same way. See? So I'm gonna have to replace this CV joint. This is a CV joint and this is a U joint, a universal joint and a constant velocity joint. I'm gonna replace this part, this one. Okay, I'm gonna remove this cover. It's bent.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. It's on the car.
See the
Gabriel Auto
grease?
will fix it or replace it, featuring
Hard.
computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto
Okay.
Technician, 413 Highway 100.
Now,
Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
here's
in Laguna.
the locking ring right here. Let's remove it. Right there. That's it. Now let's hit this part. Get it out. Line, it's okay. A bit dirty, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it. Okay. All right. Let's wait for the part. I'm gonna clean this part with the brush. Okay, I got the U-joints. I'm gonna put this brand. wait for the civic joint. Okay, we got it clean, real good, real nice. We just need to wait for the part. All right, I'll be back. Okay, we got the spline real clean. Let's remove this one. See, because it's not moving. It moves one side but not the other one. So let's replace this U-joint. Alright, let's remove this.
reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it. Featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
So we can remove the locking rings. This one comes out. I'm gonna put some lubricant right here so it can slide better. Okay. Remember how this one goes. I'm gonna make a small mark. I know the position. Okay. Mark here. Frozen inside.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto and air conditioning, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, all joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.
one didn't get loose. Now let's sand a little bit right here, a little bit, so we can put the other joint. Not too much. They're gonna get too wide, or it's gonna get loose. Just a little bit to remove the rust. Okay. Let's check which one is. This one. Yep. That one is there. Right here. Okay, let's see, this one it's another number. This is 280, this is 270. Let's check, make sure this one, these are for the rear shaft. Yeah, they're bigger. Let's put the new joints. Okay. Let's put the new joint. Right. It doesn't matter the position of this new joint, because this new joint got the grease fitting right here on the side, so it doesn't matter. When the grease fitting is right here, it needs to be on this part. See? Now this part is see, it's right there, so it's better to put it right here. But on the other side. Yeah, it needs to be like this side, but not in this case it's different because it's got the greaser right here on the side, the grease fitting. Okay. Doesn't want to go easily. I use this. Okay, I've pushed almost all the way out. So I can put this other side, but I'm gonna push it out. Right there, so I can put this one right in there. See? So any bearing fell off right there. It's right there. Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician of Laguna Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance and repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning, heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission, cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto can fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.
Now let's put the locking. See, this one goes where the grease fitting goes. Okay. Get the small pry bar. Okay. Push. Right there. We're gonna do the same operation on this side. Remember we marked the position. The same operation. Out it. Go left side. This one. Easy. Yeah, one in there. Right, all the way, almost all the way out. Now we can put the other side. Careful, don't drop the small parts. You can use a range. To push slowly. silicone. Get loose. We're gonna play. This one needs to be moving like this. Alright. We have the joint in. Let's put the grease feeding. Got everything on. Let's put some grease inside. Cool. Okay. Now we need to put this kit right here. So clean it real good with the brush. Okay, need to put this one first in here. See, I'm gonna put some grease right here. Some of these to help slide. Right, let's push it in right there and in right there. Right, got it in. Needs to be all the way in right there, the last groove. Okay, now let's put the bearing. There. Okay, it's got two sides. One is flat. See this part, and this one has like a cone. This one goes this way like that, so this part enters on this form, because if you put it backwards, see, there's no way you can put the snap ring. So this part, the flat part, it's out, goes outside. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here.
Gabriel Auto Technician of
Okay.
Laguna Heights reminds
So
you
the
to be ready
gasket
for the hot days of summer. Get your
goes
preventative maintenance now and save money
the
tomorrow.
outside
All
part.
types of
Well,
maintenance
this
repairs
is
for
the
your
inside
auto
part
and
because it's
air
right
conditioning,
here
heating, tune-ups,
towards
brakes,
the
transmission,
shaft.
cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints.
And this is
It's
the
on
out-
car.
the outer side
Gabriel
because
Auto
there's
will fix it or replace
just
it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician,
differential
413
goes
Highway
right
100,
here, both
Laguna
this
Heights.
one.
That's Gabriel Auto
the
Technician,
gasket
413 Highway
goes
100 in
right
Laguna
here.
Heights.
It's got the groove that fits right there. See? So let's put it right there. Align it with the hole. Line. Right there. And right here, there's no seal. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a small amount of silicone. I don't want to flash the grease. You know, with the movement, with the, it's gonna turn this one. It's gonna go out of this part. So I'm gonna put a small amount of film right there. Silicone film. Right there. This is going to prevent the water to enter and prevent the grease to splash out. See? There. It's just a small film, not too much. You don't want to put too much. See? Right there. Now let's put this one in here to match it. Yep, it's matching the holes. Okay, let's put the grease in here. Try not to put grease right here so the silicone seals right there. Alright, now let's put the board aligned with the holes. Right there. Let's put the snap ring. See, the snap ring has two sides too. One flat and one a little bit with a curve. So the flat side goes inside and the other part goes outside. Right there. Push it in. Make sure it sits right in there. Right there. Now we got this one in. Let's put the rest of the grease right here. Right there. Alright. Now let's put this one in here. Right there. Okay, that's it. What I'm gonna do right now, let me show you what I'm gonna do. I need to close this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some nuts right here to get it close and bent this lip. I don't want to get this part loose. Right there. I'm gonna tighten all of them, and then I'm gonna bend right here with the hammer. Maybe this one too. Okay. There's no other way we can get it together. Alright. Okay. See, now I can do the bent right here, right here, and we need to put the clamp. All right, let's bend this lip. Right there. Now this one. Okay. Now let's put the clamp. Need a special pliers to put these clamps. Let's close the clamp. There's no right there. Got the shaft with the new CB joint and the new U joint. So now let's remove the nuts right here so we can install it. Now let's go over there and install it on the car. Okay, let's install. Free now. Well, I didn't took video before. It was making a noise.
Heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
This
cooling
one and
systems,
this one
bandwidth,
was
fault
freezed.
lines. If it's on the car, Gabriel Auto will fix it or replace it, featuring computerized diagnostics. Gabriel Auto Technician,
Okay.
413 Highway 100.
That's it.
That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.